In this video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Buick Century key fob. Now you might have seen on the thumbnail of this video a 4-button version. So you have this kind of oval device here, but there's a button in the middle, a little triangular button. This is the 3-button version. You might have the 4-button version. It's the same. The procedure to open it up is the same. The battery's the same, everything like that. So just go ahead and follow along with me, and promise you'll be able to get that done. It's super easy. You won't need any special tools or anything like that, but you will need one CR2032 battery. These batteries are pretty common. You can get them online, and if you're interested, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step here is just to look down where the key ring attaches on the bottom of the device, and you'll see there is this indentation along the seam of the plastic. You see right there, it's a little space. We're just going to take a regular flathead screwdriver. You can also use a coin. I'm going to be using a coin here. I just feel that you can see here how it's a little bit dinged up inside there. I think the coin just protects that a little bit. It's a wider surface, and when we go in and we twist, it's not going to bend the plastic. So what we're doing is just inserting our tool into that area and twisting. And again, you might end up just slightly damaging this little area. It's, for some reason, just takes a lot of force to get this particular device open. Other ones don't really take that much force, but you will need to twist it quite a bit to crack this thing open. Once you have it open, we are just going to pull out the battery. You can use your fingernail if they're long enough. I'm actually just going to go ahead and grab this flathead screwdriver right here, and we're just going to gently lift the battery out. So just get a corner of your tool under there and just lift the battery out. You can go ahead now and dispose of your old battery and take your new CR2032 battery. Make sure it is going positive side down, and you will just push it up towards this metal component first before clicking it down so that it sits in there nicely and it's nice and secure. And then we can just finally click the two pieces of the device back together, and we are all set and good to go. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or you can just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this YouTube channel where we have videos for the devices of pretty much every make or model you could think of. And we've also got all of that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.